Now make we join our people for inside Pidgin News Network commentary box to touchlight as see the shele for countries.
This now man on the street and a day inside Pidgin News commentary box. The match done the hot now as the match just start immediately. Things happen where we never see before. As our government just open gate for lockdown for the first time for the match, the referee just blow whistle. First 1 minute, Koro don score Nigeria 245 goals. Oh why, Koro why? He can't make Koro goals now against Nigeria. Don't be 2,802, and people who don't discharge for the matter now 417, and people who don't buy now 93. This one can't make Koro goals all over the world now. Don't be 250,000. As our captain Waka go meet the referee, say ref why now? Ref why they allow these goals like this? It be like say they take side though. Now President Muhammadu Buhari talk say no worry. From today, anybody will bring any medical thing come this country, he said he no go pay duty again. Now because of this, now House of Rep come one. Can say anybody where they talk anyhow concerning that $10 million where they put down for disease infection matter, say they go arrange the person go court. Few minutes as the matter they waka they go. Now so we come here say from presidency, say that 311 million where they collect for inside the money Abacha they save for this country for Nigeria people. Presidency say they go make sure say they use the money well so that everybody go see the better thing where they take the money do. As it be like say the matter not is serious, now our Senate come talk say come the way Koro they scores like this, make we check that 5G matter. It will be saying I make Koro they scores anyhow. My people, 32 minutes as the match they waka they go. Now we say we could bring some agbo and medicine for our players to make their body they can't pay. Now one health organization say no, I beg. We gonna not bring any traditional medicine. This and I go cure for the matter. It no go help at all. As we try to score our second goal to equalize, that's why isolation just raise flag up. Or guys, so what happen? He say Kano State don't reject the report where PTF give concerning the pirates. Say Kano say I beg make una day. That report we don't believe them at all. Because of this, now Senate can hold NDCDC for neck. Say come, make una can explain how una take spend 40 billion naira like that. How una explain now they hold them for neck seriously. As the ref just blow half time now Atiku University just sack 400 of his workers. Say mona go house work no day again. My people, this now Pidgin News commentary box and a man on the street be this.